Hi everyone, and welcome back to My Shambala. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. This is a space where we share simple, comforting recipes to make life a little bit easier. To all our returning friends, welcome back. With the rising cost of living, it's getting harder to keep the grocery bills in check. Many people are turning to fast food thinking it's a cheaper option, but home-cooked meals can be just as affordable and so much more nourishing. In this series of videos, we're going to explore recipes that won't break the bank and even share tips to save on pantry staples and cleaning supplies. It's all about stretching your dollars that little bit further and keeping the comfort of home cooking alive. Today we're starting with the classic simple mac and cheese. It's creamy, cozy, and costs about $6 to make, cheaper than most takeout. For about $1 more you could add vegetables just to make it a more wholesome meal. If you find this helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Now, let's jump on into our first recipe in this budget series, simple mac and cheese.